All right, guys, welcome to the channel. I want to do a short little video on this solder M8. This is a nice little clip that you could use to solder LED strips together. I've been struggling doing that for many years, trying to get them to line up correctly. You get burnt, and this little tool, I found it online, fantastic. It comes with a little instructions in the back. It is aluminum. You could get them in different colors, and you could even get them in plastic. So I'm going to put some of the links below. You could get them there. They help out the channel. And don't forget to like and follow. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is the Solder M8. It does come in a nice little metal box. It is a magnetic, nice two little strips. So put it on any metal surfaces, and it'll basically stick to it. So it's designed to make your life a lot easier. So it also has a little thread on the bottom. So if you want to hook it up to something bigger and heavier, if you want to do it outdoors, which is actually what I'm going to be doing, because I got some landscaping LEDs that I'm going to be working on, custom sizes. So I am going to have to use it outside. So it also comes with like these little strips. They're magnetic, and they come with these like a little protective film on it. And let me see here. So they're like sticky. So if you're going to put it on, let's say, a nice clean surface, if I could take it off, just cut my nails yesterday. Come on, come on. It's coming. All right, so here we are. So nice and sticky. So if you have a nice clean surface, doesn't have any dust, you put it on, and look at that. It's nice. It's not double-sided tape. When you're done, you take it off, and you clean it, and you use it again. So like in this case, perfect. If you have a metal toolbox or anything like that, it'll stick because it's also magnetic. And like I say, I've struggled for years with the LEDs. The option here is, you put it here in the middle. It does have like a little ruler, I guess, there. It's kind of like hard to see. They do have it in like a blue, I think it's like a goldish color, dark gray, and they do have it in plastic. So any of those versions. I tried to get the blue one, but I couldn't, it was out of stock. So, you come here, you line them up together, and easy peasy, you don't have to get burnt. And, you grab your, soldering equipment, and pretty much and that's it. I'm gonna try. And you're good to go. So before you had to hold one, and then the LEDs will come out, all crooked. So this way you can line them up a lot easier. So especially when you have, hooked up to the roll on the other side, puts a little pressure on the LED, especially some of the thicker ones with the 4 connectors. It's a little harder. So you could also use it for thin wires or, regular size wires. And, you could go ahead and use that, to go ahead and solder them. So like I said, it comes right off, you clean it and you're good to go, magnetic, and it's perfect. So, very nice little tool. Like I said, different colors. You'll love it. Check out the links below. If you have any questions, let me know. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.